What is up? What is going on, everybody? Good morning. I hope everybody's having a great morning. We're going to kind of go through this morning market today. We're going to see what's going on. We're going to see how this thing is affecting your investments and stuff like that. Go ahead, listen to this intro, and we'll get after it in a minute. How's everybody doing today? I had to make this video. I have to tell you, like this is a blessed time to be in the crypto market and also even in the stock market. Everybody looks at these days and these weeks and these recessions as negative. This is positive. This is where the transfer of wealth happens. This is how people become the millionaires that they want to be, and it just takes a little bit. It just takes a little bit to get that done, and I'm here to encourage you guys. All right, guys. I thought, given these red markets, we gotta listen to what we gotta listen to, but I am not your financial advisor. If you need one, get one. There's a lot of them out there. I'm not it. I'm just here to go through the market with you guys this morning, let you guys know what's going on, give you some of my thoughts, and we'll get on without today. But I am not your financial advisor, guys. So take what I say, use it, don't use it, but I'm not your financial advisor. So what we got pre-markets. We'll go ahead and refresh this, make sure it's all good, make sure we're up to date on what we got going on. Pre-markets, they look good today, guys. They're all green all across the board. So, we're looking at starting the day out relatively good. I mean, these things are borderline in on red and green. So, they're not highly in the green or anything like that. They're not saying that we're going to have a rocket ship of a day, but green is green and green is good. So, they are in the green right now. This could change within minutes, guys. That's how fast the pre-markets move. But right now, yeah, they're looking decent. Go ahead, look at the fear and greed index for crypto. We're sitting at a 22 right now, which is extreme fear. And, there is extreme fear in the market, given everything that's going on. This makes sense. You have the FTX fiasco going on. You have the Grayscale and Genesis fiasco going on. I will have a video for that. Go ahead and watch that. It's something you guys should keep up to date on and know what's going on, especially in these times in these markets. But with everything else that's going on, it makes sense that crypto's in extreme fear. But extreme fear just breeds opportunity, guys. Brings opportunity for me, brings opportunity for you, brings opportunity for everybody. So, play the market right, and extreme fear will help you later make a lot of money. So, be smart with what you're investing in, and don't put all your life savings into the market right now. But there is good plays to be made. We had crypto bubbles here on the day. You guys can see they are red. We wouldn't expect anything more. A little tiny green things here. You got Litecoin sitting at 3.5% up, and so yeah, but not a lot of green going on. But there's a lot of red, and we would expect to see that right now. So we'll get into some of these altcoins and the top coins here in a minute. But you guys can see Sol just continues to get beat the hell down with the mess that they're in. Let's go ahead and look at this on the hourly, see if anything's changing as the morning moves on. Trust Wallet's back up, guys. This is, a lot of this is about custodian of your crypto, and this thing went on a massive run last week, and it's up another 4.4% today. So not bad at all. But this just goes to show you people are getting their money off exchanges, and they're moving it on to these decentralized wallets. So this, you see Trust Wallet did come out with a web extension too, and that extension is kind of like your MetaMask extension on Google Chrome or whatever browser you use. So they are making moves. They see the writing on the wall. So looks good. looks good for Trust Wallet right now. Bitcoin sitting at 15.8, 15.8, guys, right around 15.8. So it's green on the hour, just barely green on the hour. But this thing got beat up last night, beat up pretty bad. Ethereum sitting at $1,095. Again, same thing. This thing got beat up pretty bad last night. Looks like it's trying to recover on the hour, but over the 24 hour of the day, you look at it as down 3.7%, guys. Got beat up pretty good. A lot of these two are falling in line with the FTX fiasco and the fact that the hackers out there swapping Ethereum for Bitcoin. Looks like he shorted Bitcoin, and now they're holding a bunch of Bitcoin. And the speculation is that they're going to come back and short Ethereum as well. So, with their Bitcoin, they're going to come back and short Ethereum. So, this thing just keeps unfolding. It just keeps getting worse and worse and worse, and stinkier and stinkier and stinkier as we go down through it. BNB guys sitting at 257. Again, same scenario, same thing going on. Looks like it's trying to recover on the hour, but got beat up yesterday. XRP, we're big XRP guy people around here on this channel. It's actually holding up better than what I thought. It's holding up better than what the market's holding up. You look at yesterday, it was up 2% when the market was getting beat up, and today looks like it's coming up a little bit more. Cardano just seems it just getting murdered in this market right now. Same with Dogecoin. It's getting beat up pretty good. Polygon Matic, it's doing its thing, guys. It's holding up better than what the market's holding up. You look at it being up 0.4% today, and yesterday it was up 1.5% over the day, given the fact of where the market was. I know them aren't big gains, but right now you're just looking for things to hold their own. Let's go ahead, scroll on down here. Stellar, Solana, guys. Solana just continues to get crushed with their exposure. They lost 7% over the day yesterday. So you look at this, $11.14. Solana just continues to take a whooping with their exposure to the FTX situation. Where the floor is for Solana, guys, I don't know, but we're going to find out, but I don't know, because we don't really know truly what their exposure was and how that, exactly what their exposure was. So Stellar, it's doing its thing. It's holding, but it's still, yesterday got beat up a little bit. It's the same story all the way down through here. It's no different. Chronos, they've been in the middle of this thing. They've been in the middle of this whole FTX fiasco and showing proof of reserves and all that stuff. And, there's some questions about Chronos and the fact that they're sending money to wallets and on accidents and things like that. So Chronos has got some bad publicity lately, and it's kind of paying the price, but they got to do better. So there's just no doubt about that. They got to do better. They can't make the mistakes in this market like this. They got beat up yesterday, seem to be wanting to recover today. So, same story all the way down through. Quant's another big one. I think Quant's going to be huge moving into the future, but it's down at 106 right now, and it took a hit yesterday. It's been taking a hit over the past couple of days, actually. So when you look at it, it's down 12% over the last 48 hours or so. So you look at all the red, it's been taking a pretty good beating, all week. So Quant's way down, but all this stuff's going to recover when the market recovers. So you have to come down through here. You have to pick your blue chips. You have to figure out what you believe in. You got to figure out what you're going to dollar cost average into. You have to figure out how you want to play this market and how you can afford to play this market. So, it's just one of these things where we're in a down market, but you can accumulate at a pretty good level. for the bang for your buck if you believe in the projects that you're investing in. So, there's a couple of the top 50. We like to concentrate on them blue chips here in the first thing in the morning, because the blue chips, it will drive the decentralized the tokens as well. So, you know, the market, it looks like it's green today. It looks like it's going to have some sort of recovery here. How big that recovery is, I don't know. I still would be very cautious of what we have going on. We can drill down a little bit more. Let's go ahead and look at the 15-minute. Yeah, I mean, you see more and more green as you drill down more and more into the minutes. But, be careful. None of these are really big greens. None of these guys are really taking off. None of them are, doing anything spectacular right now. I think everybody's just trying to hang on. So with that, you gotta kind of play the market accordingly. And like I said, if you have conviction and you believe in what you're investing in, now's a good time to accumulate at a much lower rate. Will it go down? I don't know. Only time will tell. That's why you don't put everything in all at once, and you kind of dollar cost average your way into it. Make sure you're getting the best bang for your buck. And you don't have to catch the bottom, and you don't have to catch the top, because only one person, remember we say this every day, only one person going to catch the bottom and only one person going to catch the top. So, dollar cost averaging your way into some of these things are the best way to do it. It's the best way to build wealth. It's the best way to make sure you're getting your best bang for your buck. So with that, guys, there's your morning mashup with me, and I'm going to get out of here. So like the channel, subscribe to the channel, and share this thing out. And we'll do this thing in the morning, and we'll get after it. We'll continue to get after it and continue to make good investments. Like, share, subscribe. And with that, guys, I'm out.